This is assisted by First Officer Granted. We're excited to have you on board today's flight and look forward to serving you. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the front of the aircraft for a brief demonstration of the safety features of our Canadair regional jet. Your seatbelt must be securely fastened at this time. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal fitting into the buckle until it clicks. To tighten, pull on the loose end of the strap, and to release, lift up on the buckle and pull apart. And your seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your lap. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on, and even if it's on, always keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with crew instructions, posted placards, and lighted information signs. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector on board. This aircraft has 6 exits, 2 forward doors, 1 on each side, and 4 overwing exits. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation. If in an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the exit nearest you. In some cases, it may be behind you. If there's a loss in cabin pressure, a panel above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask toward you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Secure your own mask before assisting others. Oxygen mask in the lavatory will drop from the ceiling panel. Make sure to pull the yellow strap towards you. Remove the clip from the mask, then place the mask over your nose and mouth. If needed, life vests are located underneath your seats. To use, remove the vest from the container by pulling on the tab and opening the pouch. Pull the vest over your head, fasten the strap to the front of the vest, and pull on the strap to adjust the vest loosely around your waist. Upon exiting the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tabs at the bottom of the vest or by manually inflating into the tubes at shoulder level. A light is attached to each vest. Pull on the tab to activate the light. If your vest does not have a tab, this light will automatically activate in the water. Your seat cushion can also be used as a flotation device. To use, pull the cushion from the seat, place your arms through the straps, and grasp your wrists. Infant life vests are located in the rear overhead bin identified with a placard. To use the infant life vest, please refer to the instructions located on the passenger safety front seat pocket in front of you. Before we take off, be sure your seat backs are upright. Tray tables and carry-ons are properly stowed, and aisle armrests are lower. And take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. As we complete our safety checks, please let us know if there's anything else we could do to make your flight more enjoyable. Thank you, and welcome aboard. Ladies and gentlemen, one last thing. If you need any assistance throughout the flight, there is a call button located above you. Also above you, a button green lights in case you need any additional lighting. We're adjusting the cabin lighting in preparation for takeoff, so you might want to give those a try. Thank you.
248LR.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, we're approaching the runway. Got a short air traffic delay from the tower. Shouldn't be more than 5 minutes. We'll be taking off momentarily. Christina and Natalie, please